curry chicken. ShéKayla, who buys curry chicken in a tin? Curry chicken in a tin? This is the, yeah, hot dogs in a bottle, yes. And
tired of the wasting. She just want my love. Say she tired of the waiting. Over and out. Girl, you need a soldier to show you the route. Pull you in close, areola to mount. My love, no corona, Ebola could out. Whenever you're alone and you're unoccupied, and you're feeling hot inside, hit me up on my line. One time.
guys, I'm at a new supermarket called CheckOut. Hopefully in here is gonna be very cheap, very posh opening, very nice. People, this is the biggest trolley I've ever seen in the UK. This is massive. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I love it here already. Wow. I'm gonna get 2 cucumbers. Spinach. These fresh, when I said to get fresh stuff right from the ground. Guys, I think I might like in here. Everything looks really fresh. I didn't get one because I'm too ripe. Nah.
This one?
Yeah. Let me get. Huh? People, I struggle with opening these bags. I really suck. This is a nice place. Let me get some garlic. How much is the garlic though? 99p for a bag. Whoa, it's nice. How much is a big bag of potatoes? $3.79. Guys, I think in here is, how much is a smaller bag of potatoes? It's 2 kg, and if that's 3, I can get a bag of this. How much is this? Wow. What the? Whoa, sweet white. Nessa? Sweet white potato. There's sweet white potato. Yeah, a long time I haven't seen this color sweet potato. This one is the British sweet potato. But I think this is what they used to make the fries though. The sweet potato fries. So I might just get maybe 2 of these. Yeah, 2 of these. Nessa, need a trolley? Oh my gosh. That's the thing with vlogging, and that's why I hope people appreciate my vlogs, because I literally just cannot. I forgot my ginger. I haven't shopped like this in a long time because normally they bag up everything in here. They give you the option. I need avocado. So people, these are the avocados that we're accustomed to here in England. But these are what we're accustomed to back home. What I'm skinny soda. It's skinny bad. Oh my gosh. What kind of mango is this, Pino? But it says $6.49 a box. Pakistani mangoes. What kind of grapes is this? I bet y'all never see these grapes before, guys. I've never been in here, you know, guys. This is cool. $4.59 a kg. Kumquats?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love in here. I love in here. These green plums,
one of each.
yellow plums, red plums. These some big grapes though. Eh? You guys are really loving here. Guavas. The guavas the legit though? Really? Guys, you see how these guavas look here? It's nice. $4.99 a kg. I'm gonna get 2. I'll get 2. So long I had a pomegranate. But $1.99. Look at this. Wow, $1.49 for this? No, really?
Yeah, pure.
Wow.
I wonder what this is.
So $1.49. $1.49 for all these prickly pear?
Yeah.
I never had a prickly pear. Oh, ruby mango.
Yeah, that's the mango now we're picking up on now.
But $2.49 is a bit much for mango, no? What's this?
I don't know, it looks sweet.
59p for 1.
It looks sweet.
It's a khaki fruit. I think I want to try fruits.
Look at this. Look at it.
In here got all kind of exotic
Look.
exotic fruits. What's that? Maracuya? Oh, forgive me if I'm saying that wrong. I have no idea. Tomatillo? Tomatillo? Is it a fruit? A dragon fruit. I never had a dragon fruit. Let's see what this is. Chiku? What the heck is a chiku? Kaki? 2 for pound. 59. I might as well get 2. But suppose I don't like it.
But you tried it.
Chinese pear. It's a Chinese pear. Can you smell it?
This looks sweet. But look, this looks sweet. Look inside of it. It looks like milk, you know?
Yeah, I don't think I want that.
It's the apple, no? Oh, that's the apple. That's fig.
You ever had it?
No, but fig, people are cook with fig.
Wait a minute, not cook with fig.
People that cook that.
It's not a fruit to eat?
I don't know.
Good grief. I don't mind trying a Chinese pear. I'm gonna have to go back to the video to remember what was what. A long time I haven't been able to really pick out. Alright guys, we have to go up to go around. So basically come from there, had to come around just to go along these aisles, which is a bit strange, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't even said hello to y'all. Hi. Okay, we're going up again. Don't stop it, man. Jesus, jeez. Guys, we have to go up again. I think this is they designed it just like this to get you to come all over the place to have a wander. Because now I'm up here that I don't even need anything, but I might now. You know? Okay, people, so apparently you have to come up. We have to come up to go back down to go in back to the main supermarket where I really need to shop, which is a bit strange, but I mean, let's see. I see something that I want though. Hold on. Some air freshener stuff. Let me see how much it's for. These things. How much is it though? There's no price on them though. Oh, buy one and get one free.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. A rose teddy bear for 115 pounds. This is so cute in the box and everything. It's really cute. I love it. Hen party. So in England they call bridal parties and stuff like that hen do's. So a hen party. I don't know why they refer to us as hens, but yeah. These are specialized chocolate. 2 pounds for one.
All you need is love and a whole lot of chocolate.
Ooh, it's nice.
Yeah.
Back down now to go to the supermarket. There's a kids play area up here, girl. There's a play area up here. It's a cafe and kids play area. We didn't go over there. Girl, there's a cafe upstairs. Wow, it's like a mini mall, yeah. I just don't like the idea of going up to come back down. It's a bit much. I am downstairs. Halal meat and poultry. Let me see what they have here, Nessa. Oh, fans. In here, look. I just don't like the whole chicken though. I hate how the whole chicken look. Huh? Want some of those chickens. See how nice in here is compared to yesterday, guys. This is so much better. Oh, these wings look nice. And they look very clean. Do I have to add more season because I like it well seasoned? The same for the niblets, yeah. So I'm getting those, guys. The niblets. Look how much chicken I'm getting for $2.49. 3 baby chicken for £6.
That bad?
Well, 1 for $2.49. Or 2, so it's.
You take care?
So guys, I'm getting a baby chicken, lamb neck, marinated chicken tikka. This is mutton back chops. lamb mix, mutton shoulder. I think I'm gonna start coming in here to get mine. It's so clean. It's way cleaner than that butcher. How come in here don't stink? There's a lot of chicken. Ooh. How come in here don't stink, eh?
I know.
I ain't going back to that meat shop.
I know.
That one is too stinks. How come is it? Something wrong there.
Nice.
Nice. Never again. That's without the, okay.
Yes, my dear.
I feel like I needed some more, but that's fine. I don't know which rice I can get now. Okay, let's get this big bag of rice. I feel like I can try this lemon rice. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. I like to try new things. I've never had lemon rice. Guys, sorry for not filming, but I'm just trying to like catch out now. Potatoes, cornmeal. Look what I found in here, fish and meat sauce. Sardines. That's me, folks. I still need to go buy another supermarket because I couldn't get everything in this new supermarket. I'm gonna go back to Aldi's and see what I can get. So yeah. Thank you. She asked me if I'm taking photos of myself. Thank you. I'm vlogging. Thank you. She said she's taking photos of herself. The life of a vlogger, eh? People be looking at me having this thing up to my face and be like, is she taking photos? You guys, I'm in Aldi Supermarket and have a look at these grapes. Candy floss, cotton candy, grapes, taste of candy floss. Cool, so I bought a pack. Yes guys, I'm in Aldi again. ShéKayla's like, again, like duh, where else can we be? I've never even seen a fruit salad. I think I will pass on those. Okay, you guys, don't knock this until you try it. So this is hot dogs, $1.35, right? Guys, these are actually really nice.
Chicken.
Curry chicken? ShéKayla, who buys curry chicken in a tin? Curry chicken in a tin? Are you kidding me? How much for it? Oh my god. Yes, people, so this is the, yeah, hot dogs in a bottle, yes. And I swear by it, I'm not joking. Killer curry chicken though in a tin, in a killer curry.
If you don't want that one, there's this one.
Hot curry chicken.
But this one is mild.
Oh my god, we'll try one. How much for it?
99p.
Oh my gosh, we'll pick up one and try it. Good grief. Guys, what are these? Kellogg's, Zimmy's, Choco Dragon Shells. That's different. You already have Choco Balls.
No, I don't. No, I don't. These are completely different. They're completely different, Mommy.
Same. Okay, we'll try it. Okay, ShéKayla, we'll try the Zimmy's Choco Dragon Shells.
These one with Squishy's cupcakes.
But Kayla, you know, I only came here to do a little shopping though. I mean, cinnamon honey. Never heard of cinnamon honey, but I'm sure it's probably nice. Aldi's have a lot of, guys, these are the things I found in Aldi. Yeah, they have golden nuggets. Oh my god, I've never seen that.
Okay, if you have to put that in the comments, because if you have a music,
Kayla, nobody understand what you're saying. I don't know what
okay, I know we had TikTok and had it from when it was music.
Stop coming close to me. I'm backing up from you.
So if any of you had TikTok and had it from when it was musically, only OGs know. Comment if you know.
What do you mean only OGs? Go, please.
Comment if you know. I'm a user.
Whatever.